Well, stop. You might tell us something about customers.
Alright, go on now. Go.
You don't go. Thank you for using my lift. I'll have you there in a flash. Second floor, Legoland Park and Legoland Castle Hotel.
Wow! Why are you going to one?
Ah, card.
Oh.
You got to put your card up to there. That's the one. Here we go.
A touch of magic never hurt anyone.
Wow!
First floor,
Wow!
wizards are lighting, and when a piece of no spells in the corridors, you'll wake up the cat.
Down now, that's it. Can I have the card? Oh, big bang.
Here it comes.
Press G. That's it.
A touch of magic.
It's dark.
Whoa.
Ground floor. If you're taking part in the tournament.
There we go. That was good, wasn't it? Right, so you press ground. Ground, G, go.
To down. You go down. Using this lift, it has plenty of ups and downs. Ground floor. Exit here, reception and car.
We could use these tomorrow, can't we? Is it ground?
No, it's not ground.
I get confused with this place.
Choo-choo! Tickets please, everyone! Tickets please! The speaker! Second floor, Legoland Park and Legoland Castle.
Go. Right, you need to press level 1.
Hang on. Hello. Is that the lights are going to go out?
Hold on, everyone. We're nearly there.
Look at Mummy's for that.
Whoa!
Floor, wizards are lighting,
Pizza!
no spell.
Right, you got to put your card up to that,
Wake up the cat.
and then press ground, G, go.
You're a wizard and you're not called Harry.
You're not called Harry.
Ground floor. If you're taking part in the tournament celebrations.
Wow.
Ground floor. If you're taking part in the
Can you just press the button?
The one?
No, ground.
Ground G. I never get bored of using this lift. It has plenty of ups and downs. Ground floor. Exit here for the reception and car park.
So you've run off.
Press R. Great to see you. We'll be there in just a trick. Second floor, Legoland Park and Legoland Castle Hotel.
hold on to your spell books. First floor, wizards are